This video is for students of economics, microeconomics. And if you're a student, you care about one thing and one thing only: tests. So this video will prepare you for tests on perfect competition. You will learn how to solve problems on profit maximization under perfect competition. If you watch this video, you will learn profit maximization rule. In this video, I proved and explained and discussed the profit maximization rule. But right now, let me remind you that the profit maximizing output is such that marginal revenue equals marginal cost. If you understand this rule, that's fantastic. If you don't understand it, that's sad. In that case, learn it by heart. Memorize it. Memorize it like you would memorize your phone number, your address, the Lord's Prayer. Because this rule is true for perfect competition, monopolistic competition, and the monopoly. So it's true for 3 out of 4 markets. So knowing this rule, it's like understanding 75% of microeconomics already. But right now, let's focus on the perfect competition. And for perfect competition, this rule, MR equals MC, can be rewritten as price equals marginal cost, because marginal revenue equals the price. In this video, we're gonna solve 3 problems: a simple one, a medium one, and a difficult one. So let's start. Farmer Jack produces pumpkins. Price of a pumpkin is $10. And he faces the following costs depending on how many pumpkins he produces. How many pumpkins should he produce? To solve this problem, recall the profit maximization rule. Produce a quantity such that marginal revenue equals marginal cost. For a competitive firm, price equals marginal cost, which means we need to calculate marginal cost. And this is the formula for the marginal cost: a change in total cost over a change in quantity. And in our case, the change in quantity is always 1. 1 minus 0, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, so that marginal cost will equal the change in total cost. So let's calculate changes in total cost, differences in total cost. 10 minus 5 is 5, 17 minus 10 is 7, 27 minus 17 is 10, and 42 minus 27 is 15. The price is $10 and marginal cost equals 10 at the quantity of 3 units. Therefore, the profit maximizing quantity equals 3 units. And at this quantity, the firm will make the profit of $3. But what to do if price doesn't equal marginal cost? What to do if you look at the marginal cost column and you don't see the price in that column? In that case, choose the quantity, the last quantity for which marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost. For a competitive firm, price is greater than marginal cost. What if the price equals 9 and there is no 9 in the column for marginal cost? In this case, choose the quantity of 2, because for the quantity of 2, price is greater than marginal cost. 9 is more than 7. And the profit will equal total revenue minus total cost, which equals $1. And now let's solve a medium problem, an average problem. Not too simple, not too tough. For such a problem, your professor might give you a fixed cost and a variable cost, and you will need to add them up and to calculate total cost by yourself. Farmer Jack rents a farm for $100, and this question gives you variable costs. Now, this $100 is the fixed cost because Jack has to pay them no matter what. And total cost is the fixed cost plus variable cost. So, if we add 100 to the variable costs, we'll get total costs. And now we can calculate marginal cost. And to do that, we'll take differences in total costs and divide them by differences in quantities. 300 minus 150 over 20 minus 10, 500 minus 300 over 30 minus 20, and 800 minus 500 over 40 minus 30. And price equals marginal cost, 30 equals 30, at a quantity of 40 units. So the profit maximizing quantity equals 40 pumpkins, at which the farm will earn the profit of $400. Finally, a difficult problem. Farmer Jack sold 100 pumpkins with the average total cost of $1. Client offers him $90 for one more pumpkin. If Jack sells him that pumpkin, the average total cost will rise to $2. Should Jack sell that pumpkin? If that farmer were you, would you sell that pumpkin? If you do, you will earn $90 and your average total cost will go from $1 to $2. Sounds like a good idea, right? Wrong. We are gifted economists and we know the profit maximization rule, and according to this rule we must compare the price and marginal cost, and we know the price $90, so that we need to calculate marginal cost. The question gives you two average total costs, which means that we can calculate total costs. 100 and 202. And knowing total costs, we can calculate the marginal cost. And the marginal cost will be a difference in total cost over a difference in quantity, which is 102. And now we can compare the price and the marginal cost. The price is $90 and the marginal cost is 102. So, if you sell this pumpkin, you will get $90, but you will lose 102. Your profit will fall by $12. So no, you should not sell that pumpkin. This was practice on profit maximization. I hope it will help you during your tests. If you have a question or a comment, put it below and stay tuned to learn economics.